Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So a few days ago, I installed an aggressive diffuser on this 2015 Audi A4 S-Line. I highly recommend you go check out that video before you watch this one. But in today's video, I'm gonna go and get a new muffler installed along with some nice pair of quad tips. So here's what I got for my new exhaust setup. Here's the gloss black tips that measure 4 inch in each opening. And here's the magnaflow muffler that I'm having installed. Before I get them installed, let me give you an overview of what's getting done. So here's the bottom of the A4. You have the engine to the left, and that's where the main cat is. It's piped to a resonator, then it's piped to another resonator, and then it's finally piped to the muffler and exhaust tips. So I'm gonna have the shop cut everything off after the first resonator, have them install the new muffler in place of the second resonator, install a Y pipe, and then run some custom pipes to the back of the car where they'll weld on the tips. So it's a pretty straightforward process. Let's head over to the shop. So I'm here at Lou's Custom Exhaust in Chelmsford, Massachusetts. They're my go-to spot for anything exhaust related. So there's the engine and the main cat. It's piped to the first resonator. This is the second resonator. And then it's piped to the muffler and the tips. And they're going to replace this with the new muffler, run a Y pipe, some custom pipes to the back for the tips. So what do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. It looks super aggressive now. So let's hear how it sounds. So what do you guys think? I like it a lot. It's actually not as loud as what the video makes it to be, but it sounds a lot better than stock. And also because I kept the first resonator, there's actually not a lot of droning. I mean, cruising on the highway at like 65, there's barely any droning. And if I'm listening to music, I'm not gonna hear it at all. But of course, if I get on the gas pedal, I can definitely hear the exhaust and it sounds so good. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.